Okay, so we have a cupped guitar top that needs to be clamped flat to this body. I also need to line up the two neck pockets perfectly because I have cut a neck pocket into the top and into the body. If you watch the previous videos, you'll understand why I did that to myself. Anyways, I have cut the sub top underneath the actual top. Mighty proud, happy Canada Day, and happy 4th of July to my neighbors. Mighty proud to the actual top with the hopes of using locating pins. Well, that's gonna be a total can't use that word, bitch, to do since the top has cupped on me. So I got it all rigged up now. I'm gonna use locating screws with the hopes that that will hold this in place and keep my neck pockets lined up perfectly. So I'm gonna drill those locating holes, screws, weld the necks in so that I know it's good. So when I do my glue up, I can put the neck back in so it's all lined up, fire the screws in, take the neck out before the glue dries, and then clamp it all down. Welcome to episode 11. Let's friggin' do this. While this is drying, I'm going to go on to do some initial carving on the neck. Okay, let's see how we did. some quality bonding time with the sanders, we are here. And I'm really happy with it. All the layers glued up very nicely for me. We have no gaps, no inconsistencies. It's sweet. So now I'm going to go on to the chamfer, and then I'll say see you later. I am super happy with this right now. I am stoked on how this chamfer turned out. So, I started carving it. My original plan was take the chamfer all the way down through both layers of veneer and have like 1/8 of the walnut showing, like I did on my sample piece. But I started carving it and went halfway through the subtop and I saw what it was looking like. And I stopped there. It actually looks like binding. So my original plan from the start was achieved. Ha! Yes! Sick! I'll bring you guys in for a closer look for a sec. But, big thanks to, Duncan Biscuit for sending a homie a free t-shirt. That was really cool of you, man. Thanks a lot. How did you get my mailing address? I don't know, but you clearly mean well, and thanks for the shirt. But see what I mean? how I stopped halfway through the thing and it actually looks like binding. I gotta clean up the line a little bit and make it totally uniform all the way around with some sandpaper. But I'm kind of running out of time and I gotta get this video out. But yeah, I am stoked on this guitar right now. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. Cheers.